Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Sorry I'm not with you live on the screen, but my lighting is terrible, and I can't be on here when my lighting is terrible. My press people just won't let it happen. So I wanted to walk through real quick a new campaign that we launched. And I just had to tell you about this campaign because it's literally just launched. It's part of our fast launch PPC niches, pool repair. And in this case, we launched in 4 locations. Boom, super fast. This is a weekend. We've got 12 leads. Overall, an 8.5% conversion rate. We shoot for between 10 and 35. But if you look at this, you can see we're in the dreaded Dallas market with a small budget. So we've got a really low conversion rate. We'll work on that. We'll get it up. But over here, San Antonio, where we're able to have a little bit more dollars and a little less population, and it's a little less competitive, boom, 15% conversion rate, 12% conversion rate in Austin, 9% conversion rate in Houston, and Houston's tough too. So we're getting a decent click-through rate. Right out the bat, boom, we're getting leads. So if you're in the pool repair business or you have clients in the pool repair business, definitely reach out to Inbound Revenue. Take a minute, browse through our site. You can see it here. We try to make everything super informative. Here's all our services. Here's a list of our current niches that we fast launch in. Here's resources that we have available for you. If you got any sort of questions, we try to be upfront, straight up with you about what we do and what we don't do. We've got landing page galleries. We've got case studies. We've got testimonials. It's all right there. If you want to reach out, just hit the contact us button. Boom. Okay. It was great talking to you guys. If you own a pool repair business, or you own any sort of business that's a local service business that needs leads, or your clients have those sorts of businesses, feel free to reach out. It's been great talking to you. I'm Mark Kelly, Inbound Revenue.